Hey everybody, it's Sean from Moto BS. And Brian is in Alaska, whale watching, climbing on glaciers, doing all that cool stuff. And while he's been away, I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you something I got in the mail. I've been really excited to get this. The company's been sending me emails like every week on updates. This is the Beeline Moto 2 GPS navigational device for motorcycles. And I'm excited about this because I actually have the first generation also. I've been using this for about 2 years now, and I really like it. It took a little while to get used to. I thought there was, room for improvement, and I'm glad that they read my mind and came up with a second generation. So what we're going to do today is open up this box. I literally just got this in the mail today. I cut the tape on there. So the box says, "Let's ride. Welcome to the gang, Beeline Moto." We've got some little boxes in here. Let's see what we have. We have the Moto 2 carrying case. Okay, very cool. We've got the Moto 2 bar clamp mount, which allows you to mount the unit onto your handlebars. All right, that looks helpful. And then this, I assume, is the unit itself. Beeline Moto 2 navigation for motorcycles. Let's see, what's it say on here? Global mapping, compass mode, quick and easy, amazing routes, GPX route import, distraction-free turn-by-turn navigation, IP67, which means it's weatherproof, glove-friendly buttons, which is nice for motorcycle riders, 14-hour clock, a speedometer, anti-glare. Pretty cool. So one of the things, I'm actually going to bring the first generation unit over here as a comparison. One of the things that I didn't care for about the first gen unit was how small the display real estate is there. That's probably an inch across. It's quite small, and it's backlit. That might give you a little bit of a better picture there of what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's take a look at the new one and see what we got in comparison here. So take this out. Beeline Moto. Okay, and there's the device itself. Come on out of there. What's it say there? It says hold bottom button to power on and off. Okay. Hold bottom button. Now, I haven't read anything about this. I have no idea how to use it. Hold bottom button. I see some lights back there, so it looks like this is a sticker. And it is. Okay. I'll discard that. And immediately you can see the contrast is so much better. The white is bright white. It looks like, okay, so 100% battery charge. How do I change that? Oh, look, you can actually adjust the lighting, which is nice. And it looks like these are all north, south, east, and west buttons here. Okay, there's a better comparison of the home screen, okay? So a lot more real estate. Even though the device itself isn't that much bigger, the viewable space is much bigger, and the contrast is so much better. That's really cool. So, what else do we have in the box here? We have the Moto 2 Quick Start Guide, how to charge it, how to pair it to your phone. Okay. What is this? This is a universal mount. Okay, so this kit came with the bar clamp mount, but it also gives you a universal mount, and it looks like, yeah, it looks like they give you some bands here, some mounting bands that you can just put over your bar. Like maybe I might end up using this because I have clip-ons instead of an actual bar. So that's cool that's included there. And then what else is in here? The USB charging cable. Okay, excellent. So that's a tip, you know, if you, I think they want like $40 for the bar clamp mount. If you don't want a spring for that right away, they do include a universal mount. Let's take a look at the little case here. So it comes with something to connect to your backpack or whatever. Zippered. Nice little case. You put this right in here, like so. There you go. I dig it. I don't know really when I'll use that, but hey, you never know. So, I guess that's about it for the unboxing. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Usage of this guy, you have to pair it to the app, okay? And I know a lot of people are saying, well, why don't you just use your phone map? Well, there's a lot of reasons why. One, the whole premise of this is the simplicity. It gives you basically an arrow, turn-by-turn directions by use of just a big arrow. Okay, so what I've done is I've paired the unit with the Beeline app. I'm going to plan a route, okay? And I'm going to go, let's see, I want to start at Bandit Coffee in St. Pete. No, that's where it's ending. Let's flip that. And I want to go to King State. Okay? So it gives me the route. Avoid tolls, yada yada. I'm going to go navigate to the start of the route. No. Okay? And then I have the navigation on my phone. I can put this away now. Then this is on my handlebars, right? Or in my case, my clip-ons. And now it's telling me, oh, okay, in 0.2 miles, you take a left. And I assume a big arrow will come up. That's how the other one worked. I haven't used it yet. We'll have to put it on the bike and see. But that's basically the gist of it. What do these buttons do? Nothing. Nothing. Ride menu. End ride, stop ride, skip waypoints. Okay. Mileage, speedometer. This is like a compass. Huh. So it looks like there's a lot more functionality than with the first gen. So I can't wait to get in there. You know what I'm going to do is I'll do a part 2 where we connect it to the bike and go for a ride and see how it performs. But anyway, that was a quick unboxing of the Beeline Moto 2. And, you know, I just wanted to show you the difference between the first gen and the second gen. I do want to note that the first gen unit I have here is the metal version. I was a little leery about getting the plastic one, but after reading a bunch of reviews, everybody said that this plastic is really durable. People were saying they drop theirs all the time and nothing ever happens. So I saved a little money on the second version here, the second generation, and went with the plastic. It's nice and lightweight. So we'll see how it holds up. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in the Beeline Moto GPS device, that's what you get in the box. And stay tuned for part 2 as we take it for a ride and see how it performs. All right, thanks everybody.